This tutorial will cover how to make the most out of table tiles in Tome. Whether you're featuring data or presenting a simple framework, tables in Tome are a quick way to share information. First up, let's add a table to your page. To add a table tile, you can type in Table in your command bar or click on the table icon from the right nav toolbar and select the number of columns and rows. Want to rearrange rows or columns? Grab the handle on the left of a row or the top of a column and slide it over. If your columns feel too narrow or too wide, find the handle between them. With a quick drag, you'll be able to reshape them. Add a splash of color to any individual cell. Right-click on the chosen cell and select the color adjustment option. Cell colors are a good way to highlight notable entries. To add and edit text in the table, click on the desired cell and update as needed. And there you have it. Next, we'll show you how to add video and live embeds.